Hi, welcome to Dutch Online. Thank you for joining Dutch for Beginners. My name is Gert and I'll be taking you from absolute beginner to intermediate user of Dutch. The idea is that I'll be broadcasting daily while you do the online exercises. Of course, you can watch and exercise at your own pace because learning a language takes time. However, if you get on board, you will progress pretty fast. To benefit the most from a variety of learning materials, and if you haven't already done so, I'd advise you to enroll for this course at www.dutchonline.be. But of course, you can just watch our videos too. In that case, you will not be able to enjoy all of the interactive exercises, summaries, ebooks, or checklists. I'll be speaking English quite a lot in the beginning, but that will change over time. I have already told you my name is Gert. But what is your name? Hoe heet jij? Ik heet Gert. Hoe heet jij? So this first lesson is about names. You will learn to ask for someone's name, say your name, and greet someone. Let's have a look at a basic conversation. Read and listen. Lees en luister. Hallo, wie ben jij? Ik ben Lies. En jij? Ik ben Rob. Please read out loud the same conversation. Fill in the missing word or words. You can check your answer by clicking the speaker. Let's have a look at the new conversation. Hallo. Hoi. Hoe heet jij? Ik heet Jeroen. En jij? Ik heet Sophie. Let's practice this one too. Please fill in the missing words while reading out loud the conversation. Again, you can check by clicking the speaker. You're doing great. Let's try one more. Hoi, ik ben Evelien. Dag Evelien. Wat is jouw naam? Mijn naam is Koen. Let's have a look at this final conversation now. This is a conversation that you will hear or participate in a more formal context. Goeiedag meneer, ik ben Mark Stoops. Goeiedag, Jan van Del, aangenaam. So you greet someone by saying hoi, hallo, dag, or goeiedag. You then say your name and ask his or hers. Wie is dit? Dit is Ella. Dit is Ella. Zij heet Ella. Haar naam is Ella. Haar voornaam is Ella. Haar achternaam is Soete. There are different ways of asking for someone's name. Wie ben jij? Who are you? Ik ben Ella. Hoe heet jij? What's your name? Ik heet Ella. Wat is jouw naam? What's your name? Mijn naam is Ella. Wat is jouw voornaam? What's your first name? Mijn voornaam is Ella. And slightly more formal. Wat is jouw achternaam? What's your surname? Mijn achternaam is Soete. Wie is dit? Dit is Lucas. Hij heet Lucas. Zijn naam is Lucas. Zijn voornaam is Lucas. Zijn achternaam is Versmissen. The questions, of course, are the same as for a woman. Wie ben jij? Ik ben Lucas. Hoe heet jij? Ik heet Lucas. Wat is jouw voornaam? Mijn voornaam is Lucas. Wat is jouw achternaam? Mijn achternaam is Versmissen. You might be watching a pre-recorded version of this lesson, but if you go to our website and enroll for the course, you can do interactive exercises as well. We have matching exercises, gap fill exercises, categorizing exercises, and so on. So please have a look. When you introduce yourself, you use your first name and your surname, or in more formal context, your surname. Let's practice this. In the next few slides, I will ask you a question and you should try to answer it. The answer is suggested in the slide, but you should use a full sentence in Dutch. Please try it. Hoe heet jij? Ik heet Wim. Hoe heet jij? Ik heet Sam. En jij? Hoe heet jij? Ik heet Bert. En jij? Wie ben jij? Ik ben Bert. Wie ben jij? Ik ben Wim. Wat is jouw naam? Mijn naam is Wim. Hoe heet jij? Ik heet Sam Kusters. Wat is jouw achternaam? Mijn achternaam is Kusters. For the next few slides, the idea is that you will ask the right question. The answer is given. Ik heet Wim. Hoe heet jij? Ik heet Sam. Hoe heet jij? Ik ben Bert. Wie ben jij? Mijn naam is Wim. Wat is jouw naam? Mijn achternaam is Kusters. Wat is jouw achternaam? Mijn voornaam is Wim. Wat is jouw voornaam? Here we are again with an interactive exercise. To do it, you just go to our website and enroll for Dutch for Beginners. Ik ben Gert. Wie ben jij? You should be able to answer that right now. You really did a great job. For a summary, some more vocabulary training and more lessons, please visit our website and go to Dutch for Beginners. See you soon!